Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How I made healthy, diabetic friendly Dal Vada Idli. Diwali's protein loaded kitchen surplus left overnight converted into alkaline, antioxidant and anti carcinogen loaded breakfast. Come Diwali morning, and it all starts with decorations for the evening. The puja, Jai Shri Ganesh, and lighting of the lamps, and the celebrations, the fireworks. The whole family meets for this day and the evening and the celebrations. Members of the family from far and wide travel back to their houses to celebrate this mega festival. And along with this, lots to eat, lots of dishes, and one such dish, dahi bhalla, was made for dinner. And this was the batter that was surplus. Now these are the health benefits of dal. Something that is not to be thrown away. Dal or lentils are protein, fiber and folic acid, potassium loaded and supports heart health, reduces low density lipoprotein, also known as bad cholesterol. This is not something to be thrown away. Now imli or tamarind, being alkaline, it is the best liver tonic. It is diabetic, heart friendly and anti-cholesterol, and it is loaded with antioxidants, microbials and anti-carcinogens. Very useful again. But disadvantages: being alkaline legume, it is allergic and gives laxative effect and throat infections and lowers blood sugar in diabetics. So consume with care. Now add water and mix well. This is the ratio. And time to taste. This is most important because only if you taste you can correct. So there, more tamarind was required. That's why it is so important to taste. Now mix again, mix thoroughly and mix well. And remember, always use hot water, never use cold water. Now taste again. If still required, we'll make correction. No, it's perfect now. Now mix half the tamarind and hot water mix well. Now it will take a little patience. Do it patiently. And now for the second half of the tamarind, mix and mix again. Mix well till they are completely homogeneous. Now add semolina and mix till our mix or batter is absolutely homogeneous like this. Look at this. It's beautifully homogeneous. Now to leave it overnight to ferment. This is very important, because without fermentation, idli does not come out good. It does not taste as well. There you are. Look at this beautifully fermented batter. I'll just show you its dropping consistency also. There we are. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Neither too thick, neither too thin. Now, to taste the batter. Again, very important. This is a last minute correction. If required, no, it's not required. Now, grease the idli molds well. As usual, as we always do. Now fill the mold, but wait, only half of it first, because here's the twist. I'm going to add coconut and jaggery as the filling this time. So there, for flavors, for taste, a twist of taste in fact, coconut and jaggery generously added. Now we'll fill the rest of the mold with the batter. Do not split. And when done, remember the filling. Also make the filling. And when done, there, as you always do, duff or dab the trays so that the batter spreads evenly and any trapped air escapes. Now this is done and our idli steamer is steaming away, is hot, is ready. So let's place the trays. Once done, shut the steamer and forget about it for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, let's open the steamer and wow, beautiful viola, beautiful fluffy idlis. Now to demold them. Wait, remove the trays first. Allow the idlis to become cool. Set aside. Once they lose their heat, once the idlis cool down, unmold and serve with coconut or any chutney of your choice. And as I always say, enjoy with all your known, including your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.